In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Zoho Books API key using our comprehensive 2025 guide. This step-by-step process will help you navigate the Zoho platform efficiently and extract the API key for your needs. Let's dive right in. To begin, open a browser on your computer and head to the Zoho Books website. This is your starting point for accessing the various features and functionalities that Zoho Books offers, including the API keys. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a Sign In button, typically found at the top right corner of the page. Click on this button to proceed. After clicking Sign In, make sure to enter your credentials correctly. This will take you directly to the Zoho Books homepage. It's essential to ensure that you're logged into the account that has the necessary permissions to access API keys. Now from the homepage, navigate towards the Zoho REST API section. You'll find this under the developer resources that Zoho Books provides. Accessing this area is a crucial step because it's where the developer options are housed, including tools for API management. Once you're on the Zoho REST APIs page, look for the Zoho developer link and click on it. This will guide you to a more specialized environment designed specifically for developers. Here, all the developer tools and documentation necessary for accessing and using Zoho's APIs can be found. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this interface if it's your first time visiting. Next, look for the Access Zoho Developer button and click it. This action is key to entering the section where you can explore the APIs available to you. Upon clicking, you will land on the developer portal's main interface. Don't be overwhelmed by the various options. Keep your focus on locating the Explore APIs link. After you've found and clicked on Explore APIs, you'll be led to a different page dedicated to showcasing Zoho's wide array of API capabilities. Here, you'll get an overview of the various functionalities offered by Zoho, specifically those related to their REST APIs. It's important that at this point you look for the Explore REST APIs option and click it to narrow down to the relevant information you need. By following these steps, you'll be in the right position to locate and generate your Zoho Books API key successfully. Make sure to handle this key with care, as it provides access to your data and functionalities within Zoho Books. And there you have it, a straightforward path to acquiring your Zoho Books API key, setting you up for efficient integration and automation tasks. If you have any follow-up questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out through comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on navigating the digital workspace.